Welcome to another episode on using ADMS, also known as Aquadata Management System. In today's episode, we'll be looking at submitting two farm activities, fish diseases and that of fish behavior. So the first one we're going to take a look at is that of fish behavior. Select your pond. You can as well backdate if you're backdating a record. Then select the activity. This is the form for fish behavior, and all you need to do when you see this alarm is to select the timing in which the behavior was recorded. You can search through the drop down and select anyone that fits the current situation that you are having. So normal activity is what I'm selecting, and if I have any observation I will put it, but for now I have none. If you want to submit another observation or behavior, all you need to do is select and you add it. If you don't have any, you can close it and submit the record. And that is submitted successfully. We'll be looking at the next activity, which is fish diseases. You have to do the same process. Select the pond, select the date and the activity you are recording for, and you proceed. You have to select the time in which this occurred. So let's select this, and you can select from the list the diseases that you have found or have not. So if you have no sign, you can select no sign of disease found, no observation. So for the sake of those that selected a disease and you have dropped an observation, you can as well drop a treatment that was administered to that disease. And this is because we want to help you to keep track of everything that has happened on your farm. So for example, you found a disease on one of your fish and you already submitted it for check, and there was a treatment that was administered. You can put that while recording fish diseases, and that will be documented for you to check for another time if any of your fish have been treated for something. So with that, we are done with fish disease field and we can submit our record. So if you have any question as regards to fish behavior or fish disease, you can drop your questions in the comment section and we'll gladly respond to it within 24 hours